Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. If you have a footage that you have shot with the green screen that you need to remove green screen and needs to set another background, let's drag the footage to timeline to create a new sequence. All we have to do is simply go to the Effects panel, open the Video Effects folder and open the Keying folder, and inside the Keying folder there is an effect key called Ultra Key Effect. Just drag that onto the video clip and head over to the Effect Control panel, and there you will see the Ultra Key Effect. Click on it and inside Ultra Key you can see the parameter called Key Color. You can use any color from the color palette that you need to remove from the background. In this case we want to remove green color. I am using Ink Dropper tool to pick exact color on the background and select the background color and click OK. You can see green screen disappear and shows the black screen, and that is the default way. Let's add another background to this footage. You can use any type of graphic like photos or any other video to set as background. Let's drag our footage to upper track and add background graphic to underneath. And you can see the functionality of our green screen effect working well. It's important to shoot your video in good lighting with the clean green screen in order to make your job easier. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll do our best to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks again for your support, and see you in the next tutorial.